By the way, what is the gospel? What does it mean? It's very familiar for us, the word gospel. In fact, the word gospel, it's being used as a church name also. Marami po tayong nakikita, pangalan ng church at nasa ilalim ay mga may salitang gospel or either full gospel. But you know, this kind of gospel, if we have really a honest scrutiny and compare it to biblical gospel, meron pong hindi maayos na pagkakaparehas. The biblical gospel that we know by this our time is the gospel that brings healing. We know that this kind of gospel will give you some promises that you will have some financial blessing. Yan po ang minsang ibang